So next up, guys, got a really clean one owner excavator here. So this is a 2012 Case CX80. I'm here with the consignor. He's gonna fire it up, give you a good video, but I'll just walk around it and kind of talk to you about it. So it's got two different buckets that'll both go with it, a 30-inch and a 26-inch bucket. It's got the wedge lock, quick attach, be like a manual style quick attach, guys. Auxiliary hydraulics running down the boom there. Got a blade, Isuzu diesel motor, clean interior, heat AC, all those things. Very low houred for the year, only 2,160 hours or so. Undercarriage is really good, and they've got all the service records on it. They've kept it up, kept it in really good shape. So I'm here with Corey. He'll start it up. He'll just give you a nice video. As that sun kind of gets out and gets a little brighter, guys. So just kind of run it through everything you'd want to show them. You can kind of see how nice that paint is. Like I said, they are a one owner on this machine, and everything about it. I know it's used equipment, but I promise this thing is as clean and as tight and as nice as any little 80 backhoe or 80 excavator that you're gonna find. Show you that. Toggle both directions there. They're only selling it, guys. They're just going to a bigger machine. It's really the only reason. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It does come with a Stanley Ho-Pac packer, or like just a vibratory compactor as well. And it would have the same style quick attach there, so they all fit on this machine. Show you that undercarriage slide through there. We got rubber pads. Just a really nice Case CX80 excavator. So there's the video, guys. 2012 Case CX80. You can buy it with confidence. Really nice little unit. Good luck, guys. Auction time and Old 20 auctions.